Hello everybody, it's Mimi from Time from the Holidays. Today is July 12th and it's National Pecan Pie Day. There's some debate about where pecan pie actually came from. Some claim pecan pie was first made in New Orleans by French immigrants in the 1700s after being introduced to pecans by Native Americans. Others say that pecan pie was first made in Alabama. We couldn't really find the truth to either of these claims. It was hard to find evidence pointing either way. But we did find that the first documented pecan pie recipe appeared in Texas cookbooks in the 1870s. The first recipe that resembled a modern pecan pie was published in St. Louis in 1998, but it was sent in by a woman from Texas. So, as you can see, the history of pecan pie is definitely not certain. But anyway, by the 1920s, pecan pie started gaining popularity due to the Karo syrup putting recipes for pecan pie on their cans. Pecan pies are classified as a sugar pie. Common ingredients are Karo syrup, eggs, sugar, butter, vanilla extract, and pecans. Some substitute the Karo syrup for brown sugar and molasses, and some recipes call for bourbon, rum, or whiskey in the mix. Pecan pies are always baked with the traditional flaky dough pie crust instead of the crumble crust that you see in some other pies. The largest pecan pie on record weighs 41,586 pounds and is 50 feet in diameter. Here's if you want to try out some pecan pie today, here's a recipe for you. We'll put a couple cards here. If you want to send these cards to family and friends, you can buy them on in our Zazzle gift shop. So anyway, here's a little bit of merch we made with our pecan pie graphics that I made. I hope you think they're cute and like them. Stop by our gift shop on Zazzle if you want to look at the merch we have. So anyway, hope you guys all have a happy National Pecan Pie Day. See you next time. Bye.